Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for taking the opportunity to review this video. This will be a 3 to 4 minute tutorial brief to show you how to submit a commercial real estate loan request for funding. But before that, I would like to walk you through a few core details you will need for a successful commercial real estate loan application. First of all, we underwrite all deals up front. That way, you don't have to wait for funding, and we require you to do all your due diligence in paying for the appraisal and underwriting fee at the point of acceptance in order to expedite the handling of your transaction. At CR Equity AI, transparency is at the heart of everything we do. We believe in making our fee structure clear from the outset so you always know what to expect. There are no hidden charges. We do not assess subscription fees, SaaS fees, or monthly access fees. Creating an account and exploring our platform is completely free of charge. Fees are only applied once you have accepted the terms and chosen to proceed with a transaction. Our straightforward fee structure is designed to accommodate different transaction sizes. This fee accounts for expanded diligence, a broader valuation scope, comprehensive legal review, and the additional resources required for larger transactions. If you would like to understand what we are doing better, you can come here to check the fee disclosure policies. You will also be required to upload these documents: personal financial statement, purchase sale contact, current loan payoff certificate of good standing, IRS-EIN letter, articles of incorporation, and other optional documents stated below. Kindly have all handy to ensure a successful loan application and funding. Now click on Instant Funding, Submit a Deal, and choose Commercial Loan. Enter your property address and estimated market value, then enter your borrower information: first name, last name, email, phone number, credit score, and number of projects completed. Then click Continue. Now it's time to choose your deal structure. We need to understand what the purpose of your loan is, so select the drop-down and then select your desired loan purpose. Select your desired loan amount and desired LTV. Note: CR Equity is not providing 100% financing. Our general LTV is from 50% to 75% LTV. When you're done, click on Submit Application. A 6 verification code will be sent to you via email. Input the code and get instant funding. You can also request to receive the code via WhatsApp or text message. After you submit your application, you will be prompted to review and accept your term sheet. If you want to disagree, augment, amend, or edit your term sheet, click the pencil icon to do so. Note: this is the payment we spoke about earlier. Go ahead to pay. Click on Accept Terms and Pay. Congratulations, now we will move into the underwriting portion of the loan process. So for the next 1.5 to 2 minutes, you will need to complete your customer AML background information, followed by your document upload. Click on Verify Identity and follow the on-screen prompt. When you are done, move down here and use this icon to see the documents required of you. We need the following loan documents. You can upload from your system files, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Be sure to review the checklist to ensure you've included all required documents. Once everything is uploaded, click Yes to proceed. The team will review your documents. Note: your title and escrow, insurance, and appraisal has been ordered. You will also get an email for that. Your term sheet has also been accepted and processing is underway. What are you waiting for? Head on to crequity.ai to get funded today.